Alright, so today's Zippo, or today's video is about a Zippo. And if you're wondering, the Dr. Pepper Peeps are still available. So this is a Zippo, and it's called the Grim Reaper design. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA, and also with the help of an appropriate whiskey, the Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey. It is 66 proof. And as I was thinking about this Zippo video, I thought I'd look at some real Grim Reapers. This is a series called Dead Like Me. It's been about 20 years since this was on. I think it lasted 14 episodes. But this is about Grim Reapers. It's a very entertaining series. 2 seasons. So let's take a look at the Zippo. The Grim Reaper Zippo. And it is number 666 in my collection. The normal Zippo black box. Here is the Reaper. It's just a sticker on a black matte case. And it is brass, and it was made in H of 23. Really good stampings on this one. H is August of 23. It's that flat black with a brass colored insert. Comes with a standard steel insert. I like to put the brass inserts in whenever I can use them, or whenever I have an extra one. So let's do a drop test on number 666. A lit drop test. There's no way that this is going out. Number 666 will always be on fire. As you can see, the Grim Reaper Zippo will always pass the drop test. And as always, genuine Zippos are made in the USA and deserve quite a bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.